where we can get to as a country. In fact, South Africa, Asia, in terms of a football there, we have always been amongst the elite. In the last few years, Rich, your preparation to tournaments, your investment in the game, the kind of quality matches a year boy in terms of pre-match tournaments, local league, have all been an issue. But see, I think that there are two models in which he beats me around this. The South African model, in the South Africa for almost this kind of show league in him. For clubs like Mamelodi Sundowns to unearth the talents of a man, to share South Africa team now, a chunk of them, if you Mamelodi Sundowns a man, because the money is there, they are comfortable, they want to stay there. We can go it in a double-edged way, where we can have very, very good preparation for your man. Also develop the league. I think say also the broadcasting rights of the Yemen League, sponsorship a womb for Malta, Guineas, any other. It's a good one. We can make it better. In fact, there are more female teams. I'm more comfortable to say now you're running female team. Pimdako more, Berry ladies more, Hazakes ladies more. All of these teams are playing well. And mind you, you're also using the pathway of the security service, prisons, any police for also having female teams that are competing very well. So that is good from that point of view. But so what should they in the lead up to how we've been successful in the last AFCON now? Rich, minimum numbers not heard. But I think that we played some of the most friendly games in the last 1 year. From Noraham till time. Almost every time we're playing friendly games. Almost every time you're about friendly games. Even before this competition, you're a host of friendly games playing, including if the eventual champions in Nigeria. About high quality games. Yeah, proper campaign. We put the girls together for a long time. For even before the coach about last one can or they can a man echo, I think somewhere. And your Morocco Kobo games are Shemana saw how well they can be before going in to come and play the penultimate game before the competition started. So it's a which hotel Albeda, the kind of flight that will whether it is quality or not, it comes down to money. Okay, Mate say most of the money that was used for this, it was pre-financed by the FA. Yeah. It's important say the money has to go back to wherever FA for free, so that they pump the money back into it. Say I said clubs to develop a man football, because Rich, only a man football Ghana didn't come out. It's some catch on. Do you know that the various man footballers all of them you have to come there permanently. Every day be so more musica and almost I am their personal. Some of them they don't do other jobs. Someone to say mema, I'll bet you so it is tough for them. So if this money, which is $350,000 can go back, which investment is the way, and a two double store. Let's give ourselves the next AFCON, 2 more AFCONs, and a walk up. Trust me, what these girls will do, a bit shocking in terms of performances.
Rich, Nigeria, I'm 1 million. Tinubu, the president of Nigeria,
$100,000.
So more baby $100,000, and their estate houses of the Mobia Baku.
My technical team is $50,000.
Yes, that is it with Nigeria for the. You be doing na FA president because the small investment I hear on my football, and I started my resources, and it is true. Rich, when we say about African continent here, Ghana among only I think 3 or 4 nations. Our about 2 competitions, Emma, League and FA Cup. I think in Morocco, South Africa, and in Nigeria also. Yepe and countries are about 2 competitions, domestic Emma clubs, and you can share yes idea Rich corresponding with the performance our man honum. They are also Rich. The more you play the competitions, and my money occupied with their trades on the bubble. Obama and the bubble and I saw Bobo 3 months. Sebi in between. No, if she has to survive, be a bit more to Mokem. Be a bit more no. Because I also survive a bit me. I call Ton dear. No more Lucy form and no more be bring a bit more to home. Rich, a dear boy and say, Sawasha Teteno. Not a manable born, but there was no professional life to it. enti ɛyɛ ahaya na wobo enti na ɔbaa bi pɛsɛ ɔbɛbɔ wɔ abusua bi mu a na abusua na nkasa to wo ya wo bɛyɛ dendenden fɔ na de bɛkɔ ɔhu nti sɛ mmarima no ɔmɛtumi atu kwan akɔbɔbɔ wɔ abɔkyire wobɔ na wobɔ no but now sɛ wɔwɔ yɛ tim si no a yɛwɔ hɔ a na Elizabeth ɔhene mu nyinaa sɛ sɛ ɔmu tutu kwan even in our current team ebi bɔ Mexico Grace Asantua bɔ Mexico enti now there's a professional touch to man no awere wo ho a wobɛtumi atu kwan akɔbɔbɔ no wɔ abɔkyire enti we just have to invest right and many ministry ne FNI na yɛ adwen say if the little investment for motor Guinness money decathlon mo ekra na etimi push it to this level if we do it more we are going to be more successful no more two Black Queens when rich because I'm a culture the FA has been able to manage it very very well na nkofa ye na sikasam bia ama now that there is a level of success when the attention we give to the Black Stars any member football see the side a realm into my football now which o ma train
and we do the omunyani na go yemo half
yes
yemo half o dey bia e be fan some member football dey on timi fan go
yes because ka wo mu team attention we yemo but we just have to push
okay
because now women's football is becoming attractive
sure
it is becoming attractive and it is capable $350,000 and yes kaketwa
imagine say the 1 million in buy a big economy
what you see
and
say ekodi ebenya next year you say about
next year
the way you treat this team everyone motivated for the next one no and I bet you the kind of results are ubenya wafu zombie ni eje we ni eje under 19 ni eje na ye princess say ko work up ni nyina ka ho bi ne ye dia build team yo Cynthia Komla na say ma show the video 6 years ago under 17 year man work up Mexico year film penalties but she had the exposure today odem no of feeling very very confident because many more for crab na enye ye bibi 40 we need to invest more sports there the more you invest the more na obetimi enya results say a ministry near then that is the way to go. You hope say lip service. Let's see action. And they say implement our policies in my mind to me to porridge.
And you know so now eventually